Kia ora, I'm Jonathan. I'm the manager at Wairahi nursery, a huge project that will go on for many, many years. Since farming has slowed down in the area and the weeds have come in, and with the way the noxious weeds are going, they outcompete the natives. At the moment, we're concentrating on clearing noxious weeds and for regeneration and reforestation of natives. At the same time, we're propagating and eco-sourcing seeds to make our own stock to replant. 3 years from now, we're going to have huge bands of natives growing. Part of the project is also food forests and orchards to supply food for the community. It's actually my passion is fruit and subtropical fruit. It's really good to provide employment and responsibility for the local community, for tangata whenua. We need food sovereignty, definitely.